In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the Zootopia selfie scene video trend on TikTok using CapCut, step by step. This is a super fun trend right now, and the good news is you do not need advanced editing skills to make it. If you want to turn your photos into a trending Zootopia style video, this guide will walk you through the full process from finding the template to exporting the final edit. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok or CapCut on your phone. You can use either app to find this trend, but CapCut is usually the easiest place to actually make the edit. In the search bar, type Zootopia Selfie or just Zootopia. You want to look for templates and trending videos that match the style you're trying to create. Take a moment to scroll through the results and find a video that clearly shows the Zootopia scene you want to recreate. The goal here is to choose the right template, because that will save you a lot of time and make the editing process much smoother. Once you find a trending video you like, tap on it and check whether it uses a CapCut template. If it does, look for the Use Template button. This is the fastest way to start your project because CapCut will automatically open the edit with the correct structure already in place. Tap Use Template and wait for CapCut to load the template into the editor. Depending on the template, it may already have placeholders for your photos, transitions, and timing, so you won't need to build everything from scratch. Now, it's time to replace the photos. In the timeline, tap on the video layer or the placeholder that needs to be edited. You should see a Replace option. Tap Replace and then choose the photos you want to use from your gallery. Select images that fit the vibe of the trend, especially clear selfies or portrait-style photos that work well in the scene. If the template has multiple photo slots, repeat the same process for each one until all the placeholders are filled. Make sure your photos are cropped well and face the camera when possible, because that usually gives the best result for this type of trend. After replacing all the photos, go through the edit carefully and preview the full video. This is where you want to check the timing, the transitions, and how your photos look inside the Zootopia scene. If something feels off, you can go back and adjust the photo order or swap in a different image. A quick preview is really important because it helps you catch any issues before exporting. You want the final video to feel smooth, polished, and ready to post. When everything looks good, tap Export and let CapCut render the video. Depending on your phone and the length of the project, this may take a few moments. Once it's done, save the video to your device and then upload it to TikTok. You can add a caption, hashtags, and any sound you want to help it perform better on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully created the Zootopia selfie scene trend video using TikTok and CapCut. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step editing guides. And if you want, I can also help you make a version of this trend with a stronger viral hook, better caption, and SEO optimized title next.